right, this is our next topic. It is topic 2, and it is solving inequalities. First, we're going to look at how to graph an inequality. So if you have something such as x is less than 2, what we're going to do, we're going to put it on a number line, 0, the positive 2, and I also like you to show me where the negatives are. Now, with this says x is less than 2. Does x equal 2? And no, since it does not equal, what we're going to do is we're going to put an open circle. So an open circle is when it does not equal. Okay. Now, x is on the small side. So we're going to go towards the smaller numbers. So we're going to color this in because we're going towards the smaller numbers. Okay. Whereas if we had x greater than or equal to, let's do -2, we're again going to set up our number line, 0 in the middle, +2, -2, so that we know, so I know that you know which side is which. Now this time we're going to -2, but does x equal -2? And because it has this line underneath, it means that it is closed because yes, it could equal. All right, so we're going to do a closed circle, which means we're going to fill it in, okay, because it could be equal. Now this time x is on the big side, so we're going to go towards the bigger numbers. Okay, so we're going to go this way because we want to go big. Okay. Now, with that, we are going to go and solve equations like we've been doing. So we're going to continue with the methods we've done in the previous topic, but this time they have inequalities. For instance, x plus 3 is, let's do less than or equal to 7. Okay. Just like before, we're solving for our x. We want to get 3 to the other side, so we need to do the inverse or the opposite. Okay, that is our subtraction property of equality. So we've showed it on both sides. It's equal still. That gives us x is less than or equal to 7 minus 3, which is 4. We're going to graph this on a number line. We're going to have our 0, our 4, and then we'll have the opposite. Because of the equal sign, we're going to do a closed circle at 4, because this is the number we're using, so we're using 4. It is closed because it's equal. But this time we want x to be on the small side, so we're going to go towards the smaller numbers, and we're going to fill this side in. Okay. When you're adding or subtracting, it works exactly as it did previously. Okay, but when you begin to multiply, it changes. So if we had a number such as, let me find one, let's use 4x is greater than 12. Okay, same as before. We want x alone. We're going to divide both sides by 4. X is greater than 3. Okay, we can put this on a number line, 0, 3, and the opposite. There is no equal sign, so we're going to do an open circle because it's not equal. Okay, and x is on the big side, so we're going to use the numbers that are bigger than 3. So we would have this. All right. Now, if I picked, let's say, 5, okay, I want to know, is 5 a solution? So 4 times 5, is that greater than 12? Well, 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 is greater than 12. So that is true. So we did color the correct direction.